July 7th, card opening. We're going to do a Topps Update Chrome Hanger versus 2022 Update Hanger. Triple the cards here. This comes in 3 parallels. I don't know. I don't very much look at these. We'll start with the Update Hanger by itself. Chrome Update should be a slam dunk, but it's not. It's really weird. The update set is great, but the Chrome, they just botched it on so many different levels. It's really hard to explain. Let's see if we find anything good here. MJ Melendez. Torkelson. I don't know why these are all so upside down. George Kirby. Lodolo. J-Rod. Pretty good bases. Bobby, we'll call this a win. Bryce Lewis. Suzuki. Here's one Bobby Witt. Jake Fairley Gold. Kirk All-Star. Sheen Rainbow Foil. Chapman, Crawford, Bobby Witt, Jared Duran, Lou Gehrig, and Ozzie Albies. Got a gold. Got a rainbow foil. Got some good rookies. What is Chrome gonna bring to this set now? It's not a bad hanger by any means. These comes in packs. Okay. Let's see if we can beat the odds. Pink right off. William Woods, Clayton Kershaw, Logan Webb, Sergio Romo, Josh Winder, Pink Wave. Doesn't look. It's a rookie at least. Three Pink Waves. MJ Melendez, Bryson Stott, Scherber, Engel. Bryson Stott's a nice rookie. George Springer, Andrew McCutchen, Tapia, Tony Gosselin, Pink. Two more packs, all more pink. Neil Cruz rookie debut pink. There's our pinks. 2 rookies, 1 rookie debut, 1 base rookie, and Tony Gosselin is the other pink. Crow, Bradley Zimmer, Stephen Kwan, Jeremy Pena. Stephen Kwan's having a good time. Not his best card. Overall, I'd still say the base Hainer was better. We got better base rookies. And that. Anyway, that's our challenge for the day. You have a good day.